Hello, and welcome to the Federation for Industry Sector Skills and Standards Central Payment System. The system has been designed to meet legal requirements and offers you three payment options: prepaid backs, pay-as-you-go credit card, and prepay credit card. I'm going to take you through the pay-as-you-go credit card method. This will involve paying for the certificate as you submit the apprentice record for certification. The cost of the certification is £22 per certificate. Before you can progress with payment for certificates, you will need to register for a finance user profile from the Federation at acerts.co.uk/register_finance_user. This form asks for the finance user information, finance department address, and other details. On completion of the form, use the Submit button. You will see the confirmation page and you will also receive an email. The Federation then complete your profile and will email you your profile details to the email address you provided at registration. Assuming you have received this email, you will need to log in to ACE via acerts.co.uk/web. using your normal login details that you have always used for ACE. Once you are into the system, you will arrive at the apprentices page. You will either need to add an apprentice and complete the record details, or go to an existing apprentice record that is ready for certification. To demonstrate the system to you, we're going to assume that the apprentice record is complete and you are ready to submit the request. Open the apprentice record by double-clicking on the apprentice. This will open the record and you can see 6 yellow tabs across the top. Select the Status tab, which is the fourth one. At this point, you will see the status platform, which shows the apprentice status details and the status history. From the drop-down under Apprentice Status Details, you need to select the status Pending Certification. You will then view a validation box that identifies the mandatory areas that need to be completed. Once you are sure that all areas have been completed and you are happy to proceed, click on the OK button. A pop-up box will appear, and at this point you will be required to make a payment of £22. There are 3 stages to this process: transaction information, payment, and order confirmation. The yellow square indicates which stage of the process you are in. The transaction information details the certificate order information and the terms and conditions. You can read them by clicking on the underlined link. You will not be able to progress without agreeing to the terms and conditions, which is done by ticking the box. Having checked the order details and ticked the terms and conditions box, you will then need to click the yellow Proceed button. You will then be required to enter your credit card details, your card number, card expiry date, CVC number, which is the last 3 digits on the reverse of the card, and if your card has an issue date, you will need to enter this too. Once you have entered these details, press the Continue button on the bottom right. You may then be directed to a 3D secure validation screen that asks you for further details in relation to your credit card. If you are taken to this page, you will need to complete the details and select the Submit button, which will take you to the ACE Finance user site. You will then see a message saying your purchase has been accepted. Click on the yellow View Confirmation button to move to the next step. Here you will be given a transaction ID for your records, and you will also be sent an email confirming the transaction. Click on the yellow Click to Update Apprentice's Status button, which will complete the apprentice's record submission. Under the Status tab, you will now be able to see the status as Pending Certification. In summary, you've seen the central payment system, and I've talked you through how to submit apprentices through the pay-as-you-go credit card system. There is a frequently asked questions section available on the ACE website under the Knowledge Base tab, or if you have any additional questions, you can contact the Federation at this address: cps@fis.org. Thanks very much for watching.